Dahil kagagaling ko lang sa wisdom teeth extraction surgery, alamin nga natin kung paano makakatulong sa aking recovery ang acupuncture.
Okay, wait. Will it speed up my healing?
If you increase production of blood and make sure that the blood becomes enriched and
So, saan yung
nourished.
lalagyan mo para ito yung part ng mga ano?
Isa lang, no?
Lalagyan mo ako dito? Ang sakit-sakit na
Local
nga
point ang tawag doon.
Ah,
Local
talaga?
point.
O, sige na
There are
nga.
distal points also. Dr. Harry will do.
Sige, but pinagkakakitaan ko my face. Kasi, look, ito yung ano, it's this part na may pain pa
Yes.
rin.
Okay. It's gonna be around here.
Sige, okay.
It's very good. There's no swelling now. It's healing naman properly.
Ay, ang galing because I was told na the less trauma during the extraction,
Yes.
the less the swelling. And then, 10 days before the surgery, sinabihan ako 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C a day. And ituloy ko rin
Yes.
during the post-op. And that's what I've been doing. I'm really a good patient. Lahat ino-obey ko.
That's good.
When the dentist checked me, tapos tinanggal yung sutures, sinabi niya sa akin na, I'm such a good patient. Ako lang daw yung walang food particles sa loob. And I said, kasi nabuhay ako sa milkshake. Yun na nga inano ko for true. From the time inoperate ako until the time na tinanggal, which was 9 days, as in talagang milkshake lang.
You can continue that for the weight loss.
Sige, forever. Try ko ha. Try. Okay, so...
We'll leave the face for the last, okay?
Sige.
So we'll start here, okay?
Okay.
Take a deep
Gusto
breath.
ko yung lagyan mo rin ako nung para super sarap tulog. Kasi ever since the surgery ako, nagigising-gising ako.
Okay, alright.
Kasi pag nag-move ka ng head, meron ka na-feel, naiirita ako.
We're gonna start.
Meron din
Go.
sobrang daming nilalagay sa mukha.
How's that?
Hindi ako maarte, Doc, sa needles nga.
Alright.
Sa tinusok na miss ka, wala ka naramdaman?
Kaya nga, wala lang.
Okay. Just bite down. That's it. Then we're gonna do points here.
Gusto ko yung aantokin ako, ha.
Miss Chris, tapos mahulog ka, Miss Chris.
Di ba sa Final Destination, may ganun nangyari?
Oo, diba?
Yung nasa spa na nagpapa-acupuncture. Oh my God.
Okay.
Yung sa paa, may sakit, ha.
Yun nga,
That's
sabi ko
where
Hindi
kanina.
siya joyful, ha. Dito, the rest, okay.
That's where most of your stress is for the shoulders.
Ah, really? Okay, wait. Explain to me. Bakit yung sa feet, yun yung nandun yung sakit? Does that mean na yun yung most stressed portion?
No, actually, the most stressed portion is here talaga, your shoulders.
Oo, but
because
why
that's
do I
where-
feel it in the feet?
Okay.
Eh, nilagyan mo na ako sa shoulder, di ko naman naramdaman.
Yung energy that controls your muscles is in the liver channel. And in Chinese medicine, the liver channel starts in the feet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So when you want to decrease the stress, yung stressful energy, you start at the source, yung sa feet. Babawasan mo yung stress doon, mababawasan yung stress dito.
Okay.
Alright.
Miss Chris, huwag kang gumalaw ko eh.
Hindi, eh kasi kailangan niya lagyan yung other side.
Baka
Hello.
matusok yung...
Parang hindi mo napanood namin sa TV before. Ang dami-daming needles na... Or for cinematic purposes lang yun.
Yung sa face, basically, some doctors use it really for purely cosmetic purposes.
Anong ginagawa mo ngayon?
This is for helping you to
My
relax.
scalp?
Yes.
My God! Okay, go. Ilan lalagay mo? Ow.
Just one.
Sakit ah.
There you go.
Huwag kang gumalaw, Miss Chris.
Di talaga ako gagalaw na. Uy, alam mo, pero honest I feel parang may energy in my body na nakaka-relax. How much is this? I'm sure lahat sila gusto nilang malaman.
Here in St. Luke's, it's 1,300
Per session.
Yes.
Susunod!
Doc, masakit pag tinatanggal May konti